Namaskar and welcome to Live Kalinga Khabar. Myself Soumya. Education in Odisha today. Previously a neglected aspect of Indian central government, education in Odisha is witnessing a rapid transformation. Its capital city Bhubaneswar is emerging as a knowledge hub in India with several new public and private universities, including the establishment of an Indian Institute of Technology. After 5 decades of demand, Odisha has fared reasonably well in terms of literacy rates. The overall literacy rate according to Census 2011 is 73%, which is marginally behind of the national average of 74%. In Odisha, there are also many schools and colleges maintained by Government of Odisha. No private educational institution can be established without permission granted in accordance with Section 5 of the Odisha Educational Act 1969 as amended by Odisha Act 13 of 1994. Any person or persons intending to establish a private educational institute shall have to make an application in the prescribed form to the director with relevant documents between 1st day of July and 31st day of August of the year. After the receipt of application, the institution shall be inspected and inquired into by the field officials to discuss various issues relating to problems of teacher education, community participation, and explore possibilities of working together for the improvement of educational system in Odisha. The state unit of the National RTE Forum, in collaboration with all Utkal Primary Teachers Federation, organized a 2-day workshop on collective role of teachers and SMC in school development here today. Over 120 participants including teachers and SMC members from across the state participated in the workshop, raising major concerns for the state government. A yearly survey report on the standard of primary education across all states has revealed decline in quality of education. The annual status of education report ASER 2018 revealed that only around 58% children studying in class 5 have knowledge of class 2 tests. The report claims that 3% students studying in class 5 cannot identify numbers from 1 to 9, while only 13% students can recognize numbers from 1 to 8, and only 33% students can recognize numbers between 10 to 19, while only 24% students in class 5 know subtraction. Only 25% students can do division. Among class 3 students, the 2018 survey revealed that only 33% students can do subtraction as compared to 34 in 2016. A case study which substantiates the findings in the Gundichapada Primary School under Odopada block of Dhenkanal, where there is only one teacher for 56 students. Status of elementary education continues to be poor despite the fact that some crores were spent in Odisha in just 5 years.